Good morning, student. I'm your teacher Meena. Today I will teach the remaining part of the chapter drainage. Okay. First of all, these all important points you should to learn it. They are student most and most important should to read your textbook drainage chapter. The main important points of the chapter in this content. Okay, should be write in your book notebook. Sorry, we discuss about the Himalaya river, Indus river. Okay, how they come, how with the which stated the related how many kilometer flow, many more things. Important river Ganga river इसके बारे में हमने डिस्कस किया. Okay, the all these important points of the chapter. After done it Brahmaputra river, now we study of the Peninsular river. Okay, western ghat of the main water divided is पेनासुलर इंडिया. ओके, वेस्टर्न घाट क्या है, डिवाइड करता है पेनासुलर इंडिया को. द मेजर रिवर ऑफ दिस पेनासुलर इज महानदी, गोदावरी, कृष्णा, कावेरी. फ्लो ईस्ट वर्ड, कहाँ फ्लो करती है, ईस्ट की तरफ. और ड्रेन कहाँ होती है, बे ऑफ बंगाल. ओके स्टूडेंट, द ताप्ती नर्मदा द ओनली रिवर which flow west to make estuaries and drain into the Arabian Sea. Okay student, both two rivers are drain into Arabian Sea and all another peninsular river are drain into the Bay of Bengal. They are the main important bite. And how to differentiate, because the draining way. Okay, the drainage bases of the Peninsular river are comparatively small according to the Himalaya river. Okay student, now we discuss about the Narmada basin. Okay, where is rising, they are rising from the Amarkantak hills. Narmada flow to create a gorge in a marble rock in Madhya Pradesh. Okay, Narmada flow toward the west in a rift valley formed due to the flooding. Near Jabalpur flow in the form of deep gorge and make marble. Dhuada falls are picturesque location. Okay, now another river, Peninsular river is Tapti basin, originated from Betul, Madhya Pradesh in Satpura ranges. Okay, it flow in a reef valley parallel to the Narmada, but it much shorter than Narmada. Okay, it is shorter than Narmada. Tapti flow through a basin that cover the Madhya Pradesh, Gujarat and Maharashtra. The main west flowing river are Sabarmati, Mahi, Bharat, Pujwa and Periyar. Okay, most and most important South Peninsular river is Godavari river. These Godavari river are similar to the Ganga river in north, and this Godavari river in south region they are called Pita Dakshin ki Ganga. It is so important. Okay, Godavari begins in Nasik district, where it begin to the Nasik district of Maharashtra and largest peninsular river about the 1500 किलोमीटर. तो साउथ में सबसे लॉन्गेस्ट रिवर कौन सी है, दक्षिण की गंगा कौन सी है स्टूडेंट, इट इज गोदावरी बेसिन. ओके, इट इज लार्जेस्ट बेसिन कवर मोस्ट पार्ट ऑफ द महाराष्ट्र, मध्य प्रदेश, ओडिशा एंड आंध्र प्रदेश. ओके, द ट्रिब्यूटरीज ऑफ विच जॉइन द गोदावरी इंक्लूडिंग पूर्णा, वर्धा, प्रंथिया, मंझारा, Vinganga and Pengwana. Okay, because of its lands, its area it's covered, Godavari known as the Dakshin Ganga. Okay, it is also important. Why you call the Dakshin ki Ganga? Because its length is related to the and cover area just like a Ganga. Godavari drain into the Bay of Bengal. Mahanadi basin. Okay, it is also important. Mahanadi, a 860 kilometer river, rise in Chhattisgarh to flow through Orissa to reach the Bay of Bengal. Mahanadi river basin shared by the Maharashtra, Orissa, Jharkhand and Chhattisgarh. Okay student, both three rivers are so important, and Krishna is also important. The student, all these important points come from your textbook. You should learn all these points. Okay, Krishna basin, the 1400 kilometer long Krishna river rises from the spring near the Mahabaleshwar to reach the Bay of Bengal. The tributaries of Krishna include the Bhima, Musi, Ghatprabha, Koyna and Tungabhadra. The Krishna basin is shared by the Maharashtra, Karnataka and Andhra Pradesh. It is so important for all these states student due to the economic way. Kaveri basin. Okay, Kaveri is related to important for the Karnataka and Tamil Nadu and Kerala. Okay, they come from the Brahmagiri range of the Western Ghat, and Kaveri reach the Bay of Bengal at the Kaviripatnam sharing its basin with the Karnataka, Tamil Nadu and Kerala. कहाँ पे 3 states से related है? Most important Karnataka, Tamil Nadu and Kerala. The river Kaveri makes second biggest waterfall in India, known as the Shiva's Mundaram. It is too important. Learn it and write in your notebook. The smaller river like Damodar, Brahmani and the Betarani and Subarnalekha. Okay, we are now discuss about the lake. What do you mean by the lake? How to made? ठीक है. Most lake are permanent, while others contain water during rainy season. Okay, lakes में पानी कैसे एंटर करता है? With the help of rainy season, with the help of rain water. Some lake are as a result of glacier action and ice sheets may be formed by the wind wire action and human activities. Okay student, तो क्या है जो हमारी लेक है कैसे डेवलप्ड विद द हेल्प ऑफ ग्लेशियर वाटर एंड विंड एयर एंड ह्यूमन एक्टिविटीज. अ रिवर meandering across a floodplain from cut off the later development in the Cowbox lane. Student, they meander and Cowbox formation of the lake we study in earlier videos. Okay, glaciers take a form when glaciers dig out a basin which is later filled with the snow melt. Okay, some lake like Vuller Lake, it is too important lake, is a freshwater lake found in Jammu Kashmir, result from a tectonic activity. Okay, apart from the natural lake, the damming of the river to generate hydel power. Okay, hydel related to water and make a with the help of water and make a power had lead to a information for the lake. Okay student, lake had to regulate the river water flow, prevent flooding, add to development hydropower. The main important point of the lake is making of hydropower. Second is moderate the climate, maintain the aquatic ecosystem. Do you know about the aquatic related to water ecosystem, the chain formation around our environment. Okay, in ecosystem all aspects of environment including air, water and land and human being also, I mean to say living being also. Enhance natural beauty, develop the tourism, providing creations. Okay student, so lake is important, is too important for a economic way. Okay, most important it is. Okay, role of river in the economy. What is the use of river? How to use river in this way is our development of economy. River are natural source of water. Okay student, कैसा है रिवर जो है नेचुरल सोर्स है. सेटलमेंट ऑफ रिवर बैंक्स हैव डेवलप इनटू सिटीज. रिवर यूज टू इरिगेशन. फर्स्ट इज इरिगेशन, सेकंड इज नेविगेशन, थर्ड इज हाइड्रो पावर जनरेट, ऑल वाइटल फॉर द इंडिया एंड एग्रीकल्चर इकोनॉमी. ओके, सो वाटर इज टू इम्पॉर्टेंट फॉर अस इन मैनी वेज. ओके, अब रिवर पॉल्यूशन क्या होता है स्टूडेंट? अब रिवर पॉल्यूशन के बारे में पढ़ेंगे. रिवर पॉल्यूशन, student, pollution is mainly done by the human activities. Let me start it. Quality of river water affected by the growing domestic, municipal, industrial and agriculture demand. A heavy load of untreated sewage, industrial influence of the impeded into the river affecting the river self cleaning. Okay, property, concern over rising pollution in our river lead to a launching of various actions planned to clean the river. Okay student, now at that time our chapter is done. You should to read your textbook. After that learn these main important points of the chapter. This chapter is too important according to a map. So should you learn all the drainage system and you know about them all major rivers in India. Okay student, take care.